作为一个旅游的博主的话，我觉得重庆是一个比较特别，它跟我去过的地方是不一样的。免签的话就非常方便。
We came through the visa-free policy. It's super convenient to travel and to see around.
I really love traveling in China. It's my first time to be here, and I feel like all the people are so generous and so kind and so helpful. Even though I don't speak Chinese, everybody was trying to help me out when I couldn't find my way, or I tried to order food or something like that. I really love the food as well, so China has been great.
I would recommend anybody to come and visit China. So I would recommend to people, come here, see by yourself, and then form your opinion, come and see.